How to change language on BlaBlaCar.com. I'm going to show you how you can easily change the language on BlaBlaCar.com. Unfortunately, there's no option to choose the language and currency independently. If you use BlaBlaCar in English, the currency will default to British pounds. If your language isn't listed, it's not yet available. We suggest selecting from the 20 languages that best suits you. Using the Android app first, go to the phone settings. Next, select Applications, then go to Application. Now find BlaBlaCar in your list of apps. Tap on Storage and select Clear Data. When reopening the app, skip the Use Your Location and choose your country from the list. Using the iOS app, uninstall the BlaBlaCar app first. To change your phone language, go to your settings. Go to General and select Language and Region. Then, tap the device language and select your language. After that, reinstall the BlaBlaCar app, and it should automatically select the same language you choose for your phone. If you want, you can change the iOS language to whatever you had before.